Hello guys and welcome back. Today I'll show you how to buy meme coins. We're gonna use the BullX platform, so open BullX on your Telegram, then click Start. The bot will send you the link to the BullX web UI, a real-time interface displaying new meme coins with live market data, including names, prices, and charts. In the web UI, navigate to the Chains menu on the left side. Select the blockchain network where you wish to trade. For example, select Solana if the meme coin you want to buy is Solana Network. Head to Wallets in the BullX and click on Add Funds. Just on the drop-down menu, choose the cryptocurrency you want to deposit. Send the corresponding crypto to your BullX wallet address displayed on the page. Use the search bar at the top to find the coin name and token contract address. Now, in the buy menu, enter the amount you want to purchase and submit the transaction to complete the purchase. And that's it guys, as simple as that. Thank you for watching and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.